If you're experiencing low performance on your Steam Deck, there are several adjustments you can make to enhance its performance. Follow these steps to optimize your device. Step 1. Access the settings. Navigate to the Steam Deck's main menu and select the Settings option. This will allow you to adjust various performance-related settings. Step 2. Adjust graphics settings. In the Settings menu, go to the Graphics section. Lower the resolution and set the graphics quality to a lower preset to reduce the strain on the hardware. Step 3. Enable Performance Mode. Find the Performance settings in the menu. Switch to Performance Mode to prioritize system resources for better gaming performance. Step 4. Close background applications. Exit any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up system resources and improve the overall performance of your Steam Deck. Step 5. Update software. Check for any available software updates. Keeping your Steam Deck updated ensures that you have the latest performance improvements and bug fixes. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in the performance of your Steam Deck. Enjoy your gaming experience.